Matmor. I'm the founder and CEO of Yitran Technologies, a powerline communication chip and solution company based in Israel. I'm going to talk on the ISUW 2023 in New Delhi on the Theme C Session 1 called 250 million smart meter rollout progress and challenges. I'm going to talk about powerline communication in general, the use of powerline communication in smart electric meters, the difficulties that the grid presents for powerline communication, specifically in India, about the Yitran DCSK modulation for powerline communication and what it means to overcome the difficulties that the grid is bringing for powerline communication, some of Yitran success stories, and how PLC fits in India, AMI rollout, and also about the fact that PLC is bringing consumer indexing and tagging feature as an add-on, which is important for India. Some real-life stories, 25 years of experience in the PLC world, and why standard technologies are not always the right choice. I'll tell you some of my experience and what I saw. So I'll see you then. Thank you very much.